Kunshan Dapeng Precision Machinery Co Ltd, established in 2009. It is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of die cutting machine, roll-to-sheet cutting machine, slitting rewinder, laminating machine, masks machine, and we also customize for customer with their requirement based on these machine functions. Our machines are mainly used for the production of non-woven fabric, industrial tapes, electronic shielding films, protective films of PVC, PET, copper foil, aluminum foil, foam, paper, etc. We are located in Kunshan City with convenient transportation, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We constantly improve our management system and after-sales services. We not only provide users with products, but also provide services and professional technology for our customers. Our company has excellent production equipment, including lathe, miller, and welder. Our products selling well in all cities around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such regions as North America, Mid-East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and South America. We welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service about your sourcing requirements. We hope to cooperate with you to create a win-win situation.